car didn't stop when I removed the cable, so the alternator should be okay. Now probably the battery is the one that is failing. So the lights are on. What is radio? Radio is on. So voltage is dropping rapidly. No, leave the door open. You just want to see how long what is the voltage where the engine will not start? We're gonna wait a couple minutes and then try to turn the engine on. So the voltage is dropping rapidly. Okay, so far the drop 2 is dropping to 10.35. Let's see if the engine starts. Try to turn it on. What's up? What happened?
Doesn't go.
Okay, try again. Okay, get the jumper.
What?
Get the jumper.
Jumper?
Yeah, turn the lights off. Okay. So this thing's not turning on. Let's jump it. I'm not connected. Hook it up that first. Start it. Wait, hold it. Wait. Okay.
No.
Okay, hold the phone. So then we go back to here and here, and again we are we are charging from the alternator because the alternator is charging the battery. So this battery is not good. We're gonna need to get a new one. Yeah, this is the original battery.
Yeah. That's the manufacturer date right there. On the corner. It's 2017. Yeah, 2017. May. December. Oh, wait. No, it's May. It's May. Oh, is it like? Is it date on here? Is that how? Yeah.
Holy.
I would have thought you were doing.
No, I thought it was the same. It's the month, the day, and the year.
Yeah, so December 5th, 2017. That's what it is. So it's the original battery. So they literally sold it with the original. Either way, it's the original. So that means they sold it with the battery. They haven't sold it with basically 40 hours.
Route 35.
Yeah. They say 3 to 5 years. Lasts longer though.
Yeah, totally, yeah. Start? All right. Jesus. Okay. 2017 Toyota RAV4. I'm going to replace this battery. There is one. There is two. Well, this is a ball or screw. This is a washer nut. So we need to remove both of them. That's squeaky because of the rust. It's a little rusty. Now, that one, that's actually the hook that is a 10-inch hook at the bottom of the tray that holds the battery, so we need to kind of pull that out. We are gonna have to roll tilt it a little bit. Okay, so let's remove this one first. All the way. Here somewhere. Okay, so this actually, this harness is attached to this thing via these ties right here. Okay, let me get the wrench for that. It's a 10 millimeters. You're not supposed to touch both terminals at the same time with your hands, so this is where probably you should kind of like wear gloves. Let me get gloves. Okay, now it should be always the negative first. Does it really matter? I don't know. It's probably less danger if you do it this way. Okay, so we're gonna put it to the side. Somewhere in there. And we're going to remove this. Okay. Now here, so we have this. We can just kind of. Now, if you wanted to remove this whole thing, you can unhook it from the bottom, and it will come off, right? Okay. So now the battery is free. Just pull it up and pull out this slit first, and then. Thing's heavy. Wow. So what's going on here? Okay, look at this thing. I don't know what was here. Okay, so these two dots go in here, here, and here. Right, so something like that. Plastic. Come on, Toyota. Okay, let me bring the other battery, the brand new battery. Okay, I need to be careful not to move that thing out of place. So it's gonna be, we might have to remove this handle. I don't know how much of an issue will be with this thing here. I don't know, we'll see. Okay. All the way down area. This is just okay. This is what I'm gonna do first. I'm gonna hook up this, and then we'll take care of securing the battery in place. One in. Come on. Okay, if you have a torque wrench, you might as well use it. Okay, now the hook it up, put it in, and then I need to find the hole in the back. Okay, here. Here it is. Right there. Okay. Then what happened here? Oh, that thing got out of place. Oh my goodness. Okay, make sure that that plastic tray that holds the battery in line, make sure that it is set properly. Okay, put this in place, start it. This one. And we are going to start the engine again. Give me a sec. Start the engine. So it didn't start?
Nope.
It cannot stop by itself?
I gotta do it again, yeah.
Okay. So this is resetting, and then we have the power charging system malfunction. Okay. It is resetting, so it should be okay after the reset. Okay, here we go again. There it is. see there 640 call 800 and 100 minutes reserve battery compared to the previous one. 550 amps, 90 minutes of reserve capacity. Group 35, and this was I'm assuming this was the original battery because it says distributed by Toyota Motor Manufacturing. So 120517. Yep, that pretty much does it. Brand new battery, warranty 3 years from Costco, about $120 plus taxes. 3 years warranty. Alright, that's about it. That should be okay.